Of course, events like these are always very helpful because you get to meet a lot of different people, a lot of different startups, and you also tend to make a lot of good connections.
It's a great knowledge forum which is helping us to understand more about the real life business systems, which you don't get in any college or university program. So this kind of forums are very important to understand the real life business propositions.
Definitely, a lot. All the startups are looking for people, for connections. They have their problems, but they don't know where to find the solutions. And something like this, an event like this, will be a great place to start with and bring people together from different parts.
Being a startup company, we have very less exposure to things. But when we come here, then we get to know what world is going to do and where people are heading, what people wanted to do and what kind of problems they face. But when we come here, then half of the problem are solved.
Yeah, definitely they are very useful. I mean, it provides a network for like-minded individuals to interact, see, gain so many different kind of synergies from each other. Very useful.
I think in terms of working out what kind of support is there in the ecosystem for startups like mine, this was definitely the most useful because your talks ranged from funding to HR to a lot of issues that many startups face, and it was good to see that there are players out there who cater to a specific need. Yep, it's good, definitely.
Definitely, it's worth actually whatsoever the content part or the way it was organized, the speakers came from was awesome. It not only it's a great benefit to the startup people who are going to start up, because to start up any event you want to know the processes, you want to know what are the challenges coming in. Sometimes we also face our challenges being into startup, but sometimes we can't even though perceive what the future challenges will be. So such kind of events or the shows definitely help us in identifying those challenges in advance and to come out from that with a strategic level solution also. The speakers, they share their expertise, they share their experience, they tells us how they have overcome from those challenges. So it's a great help. Even though it's not a great help, it's a biggest support that they are providing to the startup. It's a very good advantage, a platform for the startup business altogether.